AI Modeling and Process Functional Documentation for Maintenance. Introduction. Pradeep K. Suri. Author and researcher. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the field of maintenance, enabling predictive approaches, automated tasks, and improved decision-making. Effective AI implementation, however, requires robust functional documentation that clearly outlines the AI models, processes, and their maintenance requirements. This document aims to provide a framework for such documentation, catering to both technical and non-technical audiences. 1. System overview. Provide a high-level overview of the AI system, including its purpose, scope, and target users. Briefly describe the data sources used to train and operate the AI models. Include a system architecture diagram illustrating the key components and their interactions. 2. AI models. List the specific AI models employed within the system, along with their functionalities. Describe the model training process, including the algorithms, metrics, and hyperparameter tuning strategies. Explain how the models make predictions or decisions, using flowcharts or pseudocode if necessary. 3. Processes. Outline the operational processes supported by the AI system, including data ingestion, model execution, and result dissemination. Describe the triggers or events that initiate each process step. Include flowcharts or process maps for improved clarity. 4. Maintenance procedures. Define the specific maintenance tasks required for the AI models and processes. Specify the frequency and timing of each maintenance activity. Provide detailed instructions for performing each task, including tools and resources needed. 5. Monitoring and alerting. Describe the monitoring mechanisms in place to track the performance and health of the AI system. Define key performance indicators, KPIs, and thresholds for triggering alerts. Specify the escalation procedures for handling critical alerts. 6. Version control and change management. Outline the version control system used for managing the AI models and processes. Describe the change management process for updating models, data pipelines, and other system components. Include guidelines for testing and deploying changes to ensure minimal disruption. 7. Security and privacy. Describe the security measures implemented to protect the AI system from unauthorized access and manipulation. Explain how data privacy and ethical considerations are addressed throughout the system life cycle. Provide references to relevant policies and regulations. 8. Roles and responsibilities. Define the roles and responsibilities of different stakeholders involved in the AI system's maintenance. Specify the required skills and qualifications for each role. Include a communication plan for coordinating activities and resolving issues. 9. Resources and tools. List the resources and tools required for performing AI system maintenance activities. Provide links to relevant documentation, training materials, and support channels. Update the resource list regularly to reflect any changes or additions. 10. Glossary of terms. Define key technical terms used throughout the documentation to ensure clarity for non-technical audiences. Additional considerations. Maintain a consistent format and style throughout the documentation for ease of reference. Use visuals, such as diagrams and screenshots, to enhance understanding. Regularly update the documentation to reflect changes in the AI system or maintenance procedures. Ensure the documentation is readily accessible to all stakeholders involved in the system's operation and maintenance. By adhering to these guidelines and best practices, you can develop comprehensive and effective functional documentation for your AI-powered maintenance system. This will not only facilitate efficient maintenance activities but also ensure the long-term reliability, performance, and value of your AI investment. This is a general framework, and the specific content and level of detail will vary depending on the complexity of your AI system and maintenance processes. Tailor the documentation to your specific needs and ensure it is clear, concise, and readily accessible to all relevant stakeholders. Thank you.